What's up, K babes? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Chrissy.K. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys, I'm probably gonna cut this intro real short. I'm currently right outside my clinical site. Today is, I'm sorry, I'm moving this camera around so much, but today is the last clinical. I'm so happy, you guys, because I'm so tired. This morning was so hard to wake up. Like, I just feel exhausted. After I leave here today, I have to drive to Atlanta straight from clinicals. Like, I'm just exhausted. But I just wanted to check in with you guys because last week I wasn't able to put out a vlog because of finals week, which was this week. So I just was really busy, and I just felt like I didn't want to put out trash, you know what I mean? Because I feel like I didn't really do anything last week. I really was just studying a lot, and I just didn't have the energy to pull out the camera and, you know, vlog. I just really had to get my mind right, regroup. But I hope you guys enjoyed my last vlog that I did put out where I went to Atlanta. I'm actually going back. This is probably going to be the last time I'm going to Atlanta for a while. Well, I don't know, maybe for right now. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get inside this clinical site because I can't be late. My teacher is like 6:30. Any minute later you're going home, and I just drove 2 hours. That's not happening. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you guys had a great week. It's currently Friday. I have all my clinical, well, my clinical for this semester on Friday. So I'm about to head in, and I'll just check in with you guys probably around lunch maybe, or after I'm just done with clinical.
Gotta cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, really.
So guys, I just got to Atlanta. My voice is kind of going out right now. Like, last night I had, you know, got into a little argument with somebody, so my voice is kind of like messed up. It is currently 9:03. I just got to my, no, I'm lying, 9:33. I just got to my sister's house, and I'm about to get ready because we're gonna go out tonight, and I gotta get ready. After I got out of class, I came straight here. That's why I have my uniform still on. I'm about to take a shower, but before I do that, I need to turn in my last assignment. Oh my god. So I'm about to get my laptop real quick, turn this stuff in before the festivities begin, because as of right now, I don't know if you guys know, but, well, you guys don't know, it is Juneteenth weekend. So there's like a lot of festivities going on. I'm so happy that it's like the end of the semester. I have 2 weeks off. So when I tell you guys, I'm about to turn up. Hands down. I'm about to have a good time, because when I go out, I'm always like, no, I don't want to drink. Like, because I just want to be the responsible person. But tonight, I want to have a good time. I want to say I'm going to get like super drunk, but I want to have a good time. So let me go ahead and do this assignment, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get ready, maybe, or probably after I put my outfit on and stuff like that, so I can do OOTD, LOLs.
Gotta keep you a gun. Not a regular about this shine. Fucking hope I don't we get rewind. You want me sticking it deep in a gun. Let me know I'm you, what it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dog. Money, huddle, gotta cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water.
Yeah, so I totally forgot to turn the camera on. Last night I went to a birthday party for one of my friends, but I didn't stay long. Like, I was just super exhausted from the night before. But today is Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, everybody, and happy Father's Day as well. But I'm getting ready to go to an event called the Glow Up. I'm super excited. It's like a content creator event. It's like they have different workshops and stuff like that. They had a day 1, which was yesterday, and today's day 2, and they're supposed to be having Mulatto as like the special performance. So I'm really excited about that. I'm actually about to meet up with some of my friends from college. You guys know that I went to FAMU for my college, well, university. So yeah, I'm just sitting here getting ready, but I wanted to just come on camera to check in with you guys so you guys know what I'm doing before I go out. I'm just trying to finish my makeup right now. So when I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna get back on camera, show you guys my outfit, and then we're gonna head out because I'm ready to have some fun, meet some people. I'm like super excited. That's really the reasons why I always come to Atlanta, to network with people. So I'm super excited for that. So I'm gonna just check in with you guys when I finish doing my makeup. All right guys, so I finished my makeup, came out really good, boom boom boom. So now I'm about to show y'all my outfit. I have this jumpsuit or romper that I got from Urban Outfitters. It was only $6. Y'all be finding the gems at Urban Outfitters, and it's the BDG brand. Y'all know this is really expensive. I think this original price was $79 and I got it for $6. Yeah, I got a good deal. And then I got this bag from Forever 21. Like Forever 21, I literally can only get accessories. I can't get anything else. And then I got these super cute shoes from H&M. So this is gonna be the outfit for today, and of course I'm gonna put accessories on. I just wanted something fun, chill to wear, nothing like that'll kind of keep me from having a good time. So I'm about to put on my outfit, and then I'm gonna head to my friend's house because I'm meeting up with her first. And then we're gonna ride together to the event.
Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, yeah. I be immune to shit, talking to broom and shit, now with assume and shit. Know you a joke, my ass is the clothes, I holla at the moon and shit. Know the results, the ballot is in, man, I'm about to boom again. You funny, dog.
Y'all, so we are at the Glow Up event, and it's super fun. I'm with my friends. Hey, y'all.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
I never be knowing where to look. You look at the camera or the look?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hot outside.
It's starting to cool down. Earlier, it was real hot. Like, now it feels better. But we finna just kind of walk around, take some pictures. I'm starting to see some of my followers. I love that, because it's like, I feel like you just only see people on Instagram nowadays. It's crazy. So seeing everybody in person is cool. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure I record everything. I can't wait to see Lotto perform, y'all. It's gonna be so fun. But right now we're at the Key Valley stand, and we're about to take some headshots. Chelsea.
Two-way meditate on running lost. Swerve, 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 shake the currents off. Yeah. Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, yeah. Head up, chest out, violence. I'm stressed out, be quiet. I'm stressed out, stressed out, stressed out, stressed. Get my daughter up.
So check this out, when I say big, you say lotto. Big, big. It goes 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Pop it like a willy, hop on top, big lotto.
top on top and I go silly. Bitch nigga, he like him freak, he like him nasty. She just put up on me, no panties. He like him freak, yeah, he like him nasty. She just put up on me, no panties. She a freak.
What you is? What she is?
She a freak.
What she is?
She nasty.
And what is giving?
It's giving boss bitch.
And what is giving?
It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average.
All right, you guys, so I made it back home. I decided I was gonna go out with another girl that I just met here in Atlanta, but I was just too exhausted. Well, I'm too exhausted right now to go out because that event was so amazing. I was standing in the sun for so freaking long, tired, but it was so amazing. Really worth it. I just wanted to show you guys the goodie bag I got. The event was sponsored by Target, Ulta, and I think a couple of other events. But the cutest thing they had set up there was that they gave you like consultations for hair, skin, or makeup. So I got a consultation for makeup, and when you do a consultation, they'll give you like a whole bunch of goodie bag stuff. So I was just talking to the girl about makeup. She was like, you don't need advice on makeup. Your makeup looks amazing. But I don't know. I feel like there's always room for improvement. So I was just asking her like different tips and tricks to, you know, keep your makeup looking good all day, or just how to keep that smooth look all the way through. So in return, after I finished my consultation, I got this real nice goodie bag, all sponsored by Ulta. Shout out to Ulta. Love Ulta, amazing. It came with this homebody lemon balm. I guess it's like, oh yeah, so this is like a bath soap thing. It's a lemon scent. I can't wait to use this. I'm definitely gonna be using this because I love taking baths, y'all. And then I got these Mayel pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. I'm a natural hair girl, so this is always amazing, perfect. Then I got these skincare products. It's like samples by Beauty Stat. A moisturizing boost cream, and then a universal sea skin refiner. So these always come in handy. I'll definitely be using these. I got a hydrating cream for your skin called Nude Sugar. I just wanted to see what this was. I love the packaging. It was so pretty, and I was like, this was the biggest sample bottle they had, so I was like, yeah, I want this. You know, it's really cute, y'all. Honestly, look at the packaging, super cute. I don't even know what it's for. Well, it says works to repair skin tone, dark spots. So yeah, definitely be using this. I'm just a skincare junkie. I love good skincare because I love having good skin. Like, the key to having good, flawless makeup, having good skin under, and people don't realize that. But I got this Fenty lip gloss balm. It's in the shade, what shade is this? Damn, what shade is this? I guess it's Fenty Glow. That's the shade. It kind of has like a pinkish kind of color. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know, let me see, let me put it on. No. I wonder if this is the gloss balm. Is it? I guess, yeah, this is it. So this is the regular Fenty gloss balm that you'll get, that you buy. They gave me like a little trial size. So this is cute. I'm definitely putting this in my bag because I ran out of Fenty anyway. I don't know, it's just like when I opened this, it just had more of a tint to it. So I was like, is this like lipstick? Like, I don't know, I'm not like a lipstick girl. But anyways, I got this cute. Okay, so I am not a lipstick girl, but sometimes I like to put on like a matte lipstick before I put on my gloss. And so they gave me this mented matte lipstick. So cute. I think this is gonna be so bomb, like, on me. Okay, to the lip combo. I actually like this brand as well. I never got any of their stuff. Because I'm just, actually this is a lip gloss. This is not even, oh my gosh, even better, y'all, a lip gloss. I'm so excited. So it's gonna be my new lip gloss because I love this shade. I love the tone of it. I don't know why I thought it was like a matte lipstick. I don't know. But love this brand. I'm gonna start using this a lot. They just gave really good stuff. Like that event was amazing, y'all. It was just amazing. But hold on, this is the last thing that I got. It was like a new kind of new lipstick from Juvia's Place. Love that brand too. All of the brands were pretty much Black owned, and that's what I loved about the event. Today was Juneteenth, so of course they had to celebrate, you know, being Black or whatever. But it was so great to see all of like my favorite brands that I like in one place. You know, the Black hair experience was there. Like, it was just a lot of great stuff, a lot of great people, Black people. Like, content creators are like, I should say Black content creators are so amazing. Like, the things that we come up with is just so amazing sometimes, and I love it so much. So shout out to y'all, shout out to the Black content creators, because we really are taking over social media, and I love that for us 100%. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little rundown of all the stuff that I got. I really love everything I got. I will be using everything that I got because I just love makeup and skincare and everything like that. I'm actually gonna end this vlog right here. I'm still gonna be in Atlanta, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. I'm about to go watch P-Valley. Are y'all watching P-Valley? I love P-Valley. P-Valley was actually at the event. That's what I'm saying. It's just all Black. I just love Black, man, y'all. Shout out to us Black people. We are great, amazing. But anyways, y'all, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. I hope you guys enjoyed your Father's Day, your Juneteenth. I know I did. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog.